Okay, Christy is unboxed. Hey, wait for Christy. Wait for Christy, Mariel. Silly Mariel. Mommy, sit them properly. And fix their hair. Yay! They are going to the beach. Time to hit the beach. Well, let's just pretend. Okay? Use your imagination. Mr. Zebra! Mr. Zebra!
I said giraffe.
Oh, did you say giraffe? I didn't hear you. It's a zebra! Silly mommy. Not a giraffe. Beach time.
Aloha.
Aloha. Hawaii. Oh! You hit the Ford GT! Can you drift, Maya?
Let's see.
Almost, almost. Whoa!
It's too fast.
Oh! Maya is a reckless driver.
Oh, it's so fast.
It's okay, Maya. It's okay. Ah! You hit the Lamborghini Huracan. You like it, Maya? It's nice, huh?
I don't like when it's fast.
Oh, okay. Oh! Are you playing bowling? You keep hitting the bowling ball. Ow! You hit my knee! You did! Ow! Again! You hit my knee again. Ow!
Oh my goodness.
Again for the third time! Silly girl. Yan. Ow! Maya, look! They float in the water! Huh? Look, they are swimming! Back floating! Back float! Huh? Oh! Uh-oh, uh-oh! They are getting farther.
I can get it
Okay.
if I
Go, Hulyan, get those Barbie dolls. Hurry up. Okay, Maya. 1, 2, cheese. Got it, got it, got it.
Mommy,
What?
I need to
You wanna change it?
to this one.
Why?
I like Princess Celestia.
Okay. What did you say, Maya?
I'm gonna change her to a wonderful dress.
Oh, you're going to dress her up?
Yeah.
Yeah, nicey.
Have a little bit.
How about Christy? Don't forget Christy.
Okay, I look for a Barbie dress
Okay.
and shoes.
And shoes. Maya, wet your lips.
Or maybe we can buy it.
buy some dress for your new Barbie
And
dolls
shoes.
and shoes. Maya, wet your lips. They are too dry. You need to drink more water, Maya. Your lips are too
Water?
dry.
I don't drink water.
Why? You should be drinking water, silly girl. Water is good for the body, silly girl.
Daddy, no, they taste. They don't taste anything.
So what? It's good for the body.
It tastes like nothing.
And what do you want to drink?
Soda.
Soda? Silly girl. That's bad for the body. Too much sugar.
Take a million.
Drink water only, okay?
No.
And organic juice.
No.
Natural juice.
No. No.
What are you going to say to Markslen?
Thank you.
I like it, mommy. That's a very sharp car. Can I try, Maya?
No.
Please.
Okay.
Thank you. Whoa! Ow! Okay, it's my turn.
All right.
Thank you, Maya. Oops, sorry. My bad. Mr. Zebra!
And Mr. Seguro.
It's a girl? Okay, Miss Zebra.
The card is made.
Okay.
All right.
Again. Okay. Woo! Nice looking car.
Awesome.
What color is it?
Box.
What color is it, Maya?
There's a box.
A Barbie box.
Metallic pink.
Yeah, metallic fuchsia pink. Right?
Now, where's the
A
Barbie?
metallic fuchsia pink.
Now for the
Let's unbox the car first, Maya. Go, Mommy. Go on. Unbox the car all the way, Mommy. A cardboard box, Maya.
Yeah.
Not a real Barbie doll.
Yeah.
Yeah, a metallic fuchsia pink Corvette.
Oh yeah. We have a real one, but it's white.
We have a real Corvette?
Yeah, white.
Color white?
Yeah.
I see. Woohoo! That's a nice looking
Now
Corvette.
for the Barbie.
Wait, let's put batteries first, Maya. The bottom part, Mommy.
I'll put the controller.
The front.
Put the controller.
Yeah, wait for Mommy. She's gonna do it. Wow!
Wait, what?
It shines! What, Maya?
I want Maya's face.
You can see your face?
Yeah.
It shines!
And I can see
And
Maya's face.
it sparkles! Right?
Maya's face.
Yeah. Can I see the other side, Mommy? Wow. The rear or the back of the car? Whoa, Corvette! Barbie Corvette!
Oh, I can see your feet.
You can see my feet?
Oh, your toes.
Nice. Mommy, put batteries.
Open it.
Okay.
What, Maya?
Look at the bold guy.
Bold guy.
Oh, there's two bold guys.
Two bold guys.
Yeah.
Yep, they are half naked. They have no shirts on. Why? Because they are swimming.
Oh,
Look.
this one.
Yeah, the two of those guys, they are half
And
naked.
this guy.
Yeah. Well, they are swimming, Maya. That's why.
Ian's bold.
Who is more prettier, Maya? That one is prettier. I like this one, the brunette.
Okay.
Well, I think she's more prettier than the blonde one.
What?
Or I don't know. Okay. They are both pretty, Maya. Well, I mean they are both pretty, but to me, the brunette girl is prettier.
No.
The blonde is prettier. Okay. Okay, if you say so. Okay, 5 AA batteries for the car. What, Maya?
I like the pink chairs.
Yeah, nice car seats, huh?
Yeah.
Pink.
Yeah.
Nice.
Pinky, pinky.
Okay, the controller.
Pinky, pink.
What, Maya?
The boogers is gone.
What the? What do you mean, booger?
Because boogers are real.
Ew, yucky. Yuck. Hey, did you know that some kids, some people, they eat their boogers?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hulyan?
Yeah.
You're, what are you doing? Hey, you're so yucky. Stop that. Stop that. Why do you put your finger in your nose?
Because that's the point thing.
Because there's a lot of boogers in your nose? Like mommy? Mommy has a lot of boogers.
Daddy too.
Yuck.
Daddy too.
Me? I don't have boogers in my nose. I don't.
Yes, you do. Then you, Rian said when Rian take a bodies, Rian take a water boogers, there's what coming out is this.
Oh,
And you take
okay.
a water boogers.
No, I don't do that booger thing.
Hey.
Oh, did you put batteries already? Okay, wait Maya.
Gimme.
Forward,
Gimme,
reverse,
gimme.
and there's a steering wheel. Like a real car, Maya.
Doesn't work.
Huh? It's off. Switch it on.
Oh.
It works. It's working now. Okay, stand the car, Maya.
Boy.
It's upside down.
Now for the Barbies.
Yeah, but drive it first. Try it.
So fast.
Yeah, it's fast. Whoa. Nice one, Maya.
Oh.
Is it easy to control?
No, it's too fast.
It's too fast for you?
Yeah.
Cute. Oh, it doesn't light up, but it's okay. No biggie. Nice one. Yep, I can tell, Maya, it's fast. Whoa, whoa! Wow, that car is so sharp. Right, Mommy? It shines.
Yeah.
Metallic fuchsia pink.
And now for the Barbie.
Okay, Mommy, let's unbox the Barbie dolls.
Okay.
Okay, switch it off. Don't waste batteries. I like this steering wheel thing, Mommy. It's like a real car, right? What?
Daddy, look. Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash. Pinkie Pie, Rainbow Dash.
Cute! You like it?
Now it's open.
Oh, Mommy's doing it now, Maya.
This one.
Oh, she likes the blonde girl.
Alright.
She likes Marielle. Better than, who is this? Christy. Yeah. Sorry, Christy.
Shinier than our car.
What?
It's shinier than our car.
It is shinier than our car? Hey, Maya, did you say that we have a real Corvette?
Yes.
Where is it?
Garage.
In the garage?
It's
Oh.
white. This one is much shinier. Ours is not. You cannot see yourself, but this one can see yourself.
Yeah, because it's metallic. That's why.
Yeah. How do you make metallic?
Well, they paint the car like that, Maya.
How do you make the color like that?
They use metallic paint, Maya.
Oh.
Yay! There is Marielle. She's driving the car.
Let's turn it.
Is there a seat belt?
No.
No seat belt?
There's a car that does have seatbelt, but this one doesn't.
Okay. Are they going to the beach?
Yeah.
Yay! Okay, Mommy, one more round.
Uh-oh, Daddy.
Yeah. Marcelin has his own car. That's a nice car, Marcelin.
Oh, where's my big Barbie house? Oh, it's in the old house. Remember, I have a big Barbie house. It's in the old house.
Yeah, I know.
Dirty.
It's dirty? Why?
Nasty.
Why?
Oh, because it was outside.
Oh, you put it outside the house? Yeah?
No,
Who did?
of course, anybody.
Okay, okay. Mommy's turn! Ready, Mommy?
Ready.
Go! No, no! What are you doing, Mommy? Ay! Ow! Ow! Uh-oh. Look! Mommy! Okay, okay. Stop it, Mommy. Ow! You hit the Ferrari! Mommy doesn't know how to drive, Maya. Okay, give it back to Maya. Give the controller to Maya.
Reckless driver.
Reckless driver. Maya's turn.
Okay, mommy.
Okay.
License drive. I don't know how to license drive yet.
What did you say, Maya?
Mine's gonna be a good driver when I grow up.
You're gonna be a good driver
Yeah.
when you are 16?
Yeah.
When you turn 16?
Yeah.
Nice.
Mommy. Wait.
Okay. I'm going to start up the engine.
Now, come on. Let's open.
Hey, what happened to this? There you go. An RC Corvette!
Mommy, open.
Barbie cruising Corvette! Full function RC! Fits most Barbie dolls! And I see the controller right there. This is cute! A Corvette!
Mommy,
Color pink.
Mommy, what's your favorite one?
Blue one.
Nice, Marcelin.
Go.
Ay, ay!
Your name.
I don't know. Give them a name or give them names, Maya.
What's this?
Huh?
What's this?
A water ball.
Let's say.
Oh, it says water play. Hey, look, there's a dog. There's a puppy.
Wait.
Yeah, you can put this Barbie in the water, Maya.
Yeah, no.
Look, she's wearing a swimwear,
And this one.
a bathing suit.
This one.
And that one too.
Yeah. Now she's just opening this. Let's get opening
Water
this.
play.
Daddy.
Huh? Okay, okay. Go on. Barbie dolls.
Why? Where's one? Here. Why?
Maya, what is her name? This girl.
I don't know.
How about, let's call her, Marielle. Let's call her Marielle. Hello, Marielle.
Read it.
Pinkie Pie?
Maya, how about this girl? What's her name?
No.
How about, Christy?
Christy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Marielle and Christy.
Okay.
Are you ready, Mami Rhea?
Ready?
Are you ready, Maya?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Huh?
Daddy,
What?
When we are sweeping, is the toys being alive?
Being
Huh?
alive.
Are they going to be alive when we sweep?
Like Toy Story?
Yeah.
When people are not present, the toys are alive, they move, they talk to each other, they play.
Yeah.
Yeah? Wow, that's crazy. Is it real? Does it happen? Mommy, does it happen in real life? Only on movies?
That's me.
Yeah.
We will sneak.
Yeah.
Let's catch them playing the toys. You wanna do that
No.
Tonight.
tonight?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, we will pretend that we are sleeping,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna sneak, and then we're gonna catch them.
Yeah.
Do you agree, Mommy? You wanna do that tonight? Okay.
See if they're being alive.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Creepy. Okay, Mommy, unbox the car. Okay. Okay, unboxing the Corvette.
Creepy.
The creepiest thing ever, right?